an argument that would never have a winner. Every now and then we'd ask each other if we've gotten an update from counsel on what the judgment was. 4. We have the WYK rule. If one of us says, "Would you kindly blah blah blah," the other one must, no matter what, do that thing. There is zero negotiation. It's mostly whipped out for benign stuff, sometimes for very silly stuff, but occasionally used in serious situations. It's equal parts silly, fake outage, and a deep committed trust. It only works because we trust each other not to abuse WYK or use it for evil. 5. Straight up wrestle for fun. Not like sexy way or the cute let the other one win way, but like actual competition. 6. We often just stand in each other's way for no reason other than to be annoying. 7. Whenever he sneezes, I shout as aggressively as I can, "Shut up." To which he responds even louder, "You shut up." This is everywhere. At home, in public, it doesn't matter. It's gotten to the point where I consciously have to stop myself from shouting at anyone else who sneezes.